Hey Tubes, we got a little surprise for you here. I got my dad out here. He's going to help me with the video here. And you guys might know what this is already. There you go. That's got an early unveiling there. It's the Maytag that we started working on last, I think it was last, I'm going to say October. When we started, we said we were going to do a whole series. Well, I was trying to decide if I was going to do the series or not. But as you guys know, I never did that, and I'm glad I didn't, because you guys would have been waiting, you know, a month between each segment, and so I figured I'd just get it all done for you. But it turned out real well. I used a couple different colors on it. Used the excuse me there. Used the black and the silver. I used that. It's that hammer tone paint. Comes out real good. If we zoom in on it, sometimes you can tell it looks good in some spots. But we only had to buy a couple parts for it. We needed a couple. There's a pin that holds on this starter pulley here. That right there, we had to buy that. We had to buy a flange. I ground this flange down here to make it match up with the exhaust there. So that looks real good. Of course, we had to buy the muffler. It was a couple bucks. But that's about it. We got all the decals on it and all that. This is the that's the Maytag one, and then on the side over here, I think this one is just a caution. Yeah, that one's just a caution on the information. Then you got one other right here, that being the mixture information. You read that if you want. Anyhow, we're gonna fire it up here. Give you guys first run on YouTube, and then we got a show coming up pretty soon. We'll be taking it there, and that'll be its debut. All right, see if it starts first kick. Oh yeah. There you go. One kick wonder. And I mean, it runs real good. It pops a little bit, but once you get it set okay, then it usually seems to be alright. Let's put that tachometer on there. It's a little tricky because we had to drill out the crank. Right now, I think it looks like we're showing about 700 RPMs. And it's actually probably doing about twice that, but can't find words today. It's just spinning on the pulley there, so that's good. That's good. Only about 1,000 there. We can always check the governor and speed it up a little bit, but that's about it. That's a Maytag, and yeah, there's one of the pops there. I think the bearing, I thought the bearings were good, but it turns out it actually leaks a little bit of fuel out one of them. But I'm going to keep this engine at least for a little while, so that's the problem that I can deal with. It starts up fine. A lot of times they're a little hard to start when they have a bad bearing like that, but so far no problems with it at all. As you saw, it started right up. But that's about it, tubes. Thanks for watching.